Hello everyone, this is Nancy Dodge from YB Stamp. I just got this Expressions of Kindness kit, and I had to share it with you. It's just so pretty. So I haven't opened it all completely. So you get glue dots, dimensionals, some gold shiny embellishments, and your block, some white ribbon, wishing you the happiest of birthdays, just a note, and kindly deliver to with some colorful backgrounds. Blackberry Bliss ink spot, some tear and tape, it's quite a bit. So here is the picture and instructions. You get 4 of this card, 4 that, 4 envelopes to match, 4 envelopes to match. But of course I look at these and I think, how many cards can I get out of that? Ooh, look at these. Some banners for these envelopes. Aren't they pretty? For these envelopes. Let's see if I can get these. For these cards, can you see the gold on them? For these cards. And there are 4 of these die cuts. And 4 of these gold die cuts. So I'm going to put these together and show them to you in a minute. Alright, the first card we're going to make is this one. And these are the 3 stamps that I'm going to use. Embellishments, 6 1/4 inch of the white ribbon, this sentiment banner, and the dimensionals. So I'm going to stick this first. I'm using my big one. I'll keep this for classes. So I'm opening my big Blackberry Bliss, and it has me taking this background stamp, inking it up, and just kind of randomly stamping it on the front. And then it has this little topper for the thistle, and it has me putting it right over the thistles here. Oops, missed a spot. Just for a little added extra. I'm going to fold this quickly, my bone folder, because I don't want it to go on the back. It has me putting some right here. There we go. And I think that's it. Okay. And then the banner is wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Oops. Didn't get enough ink. Alright. Then close my ink before I get my fingers in it, because I will. And we're going to put this together. So it has this folded over here. Instead of glue dots, I'm going to use my Stampin' seal. Just a little bit to tack it down. And then use the dimensionals on the banner. Pop it right over that ribbon. And then it has you putting 5 of these on. So we'll put one here, and one here, one here, and one up here. So there's our first card. Alright, the next card, we're going to use these stamps, these die cuts, this card base, 6 1/4 inches of the ribbon, Blackberry Bliss ink, and the embellishments. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to take that topper again, and we're going to stamp the tops of these thistles. At least I think they're thistles. I don't know. Could be anything, I suppose. They're pretty, so I don't care. They just come out gorgeous, I thought. Alright, and then our banner. And we're going to stamp just a note. There. Close my ink. Use my bone folder to crease my card. Makes it nice and flat. Now we're going to use the glue dots, and we're going to put these together. We're just going to put a couple on right in the middle there, and then on the back of this one we're going to add these to the backs of the flowers and this little stem, and then dimensionals on the back of the banner. And I'll show you, I'll use the glue dots on this so that you can see it. Just going to add one. One of these didn't stick. There's the little pieces right here. I'm going to put one on this side. Well, actually, it has you put these down first. So I'll put this down first. Looking at the directions. I showed you the front. And that's what's great about these kits. They have step-by-step instructions and everything that you need. So yes, I may have used some other supplies. However, it comes with everything you need. I'm going to take this gold off. Try to be careful with the die cuts. I don't want them to crease. And just put this over the top. Give it a little extra zhuzh. And then the ribbon. Just put it on there. Pull it off. Fold it over. And then put this banner on. And it has you putting 5 of these on. 1, 2, 3. So for anyone that is not sure on what to do, if they'd like to start card making, this is an awesome option because it has everything you need. Step-by-step instructions, ink, block, everything. So there you go. So let's put these together. Envelopes. Cards. So there we go. Aren't those cards beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. And it didn't take us long at all, did it? Alright, I have ordering information on this video, or visit my website, ybstamp.com. Thank you for indulging me on showing you this, because I really loved this kit. Happy stamping!